Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to use headphones on the Xbox Series S. So you just want to get your controller here, and you can see at the bottom, this headphone port. You just want to plug in your headphones to this port. So just plug this in like so, just like that. And once you've done this, what it will do is it will automatically make the microphone work. So this mic here, if you have it on the headset, and then the audio will come from the Xbox Series S to the headset as well. It's kind of embarrassing. I didn't actually know this until like 2 days ago. I was like, man, I just want to play with a mic on so I can speak to people, and then I actually realized I can just plug it into this port here. Usually what I did is I plugged this headphones to my TV, and then I had the audio come from the TV. But this is far more convenient because you can be wherever you are, and then obviously you're going to be close to your controller, so the cable is never going to be too far away. Another thing I will say though is when it comes to this, you just keep in mind that the audio will still play from the TV as well. So you will need to mute your TV, and then the audio will still come from here as well. That's just something to keep in mind. And then once you've done that, you're good to go, and everything is sorted out. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.